So hello everyone, this is Arpitamrate and I am back again here with a very powerful session. Today we are going to tackle all the sequence and series problem that ask in JEE Mains 2025 April shift. So grab your pen and notebook and let's start with very first question. Okay, so what they are saying? They are saying that if 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 till infinity equal to pi power 4 by 90 and 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 5 power 4 till infinity equal to alpha. It means from the above series, I am taking all the odd place term, okay, and adding. Then they are saying that, okay, that summation is nothing but alpha. And similarly, they have given 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 4 power 4 plus 1 by 6 power 4 till infinity equal to beta, correct? And then we need to find the value of alpha and beta. Then what will be the value of alpha and beta? They are asking, okay. So let's see the information that they have given. So what they have given? They have given that 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 4 power 4 and so on till infinity. If I add, I will get what? Pi power 4 by 90. Correct? This is the very first information that they have given. Okay. Now another information they have given something about alpha. So they are saying that the alpha is nothing but 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 5 power 4 and so on till infinity. Correct? And similarly, they have given one more information regarding beta. So beta is nothing but what? 1 upon 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 4 power 4 plus 1 upon 6 power 4 and so on till infinity. Okay. Now, if you closely observe this alpha and beta, in this alpha, if you observe the term that we have taken, 1 upon 1 power 4, 1 upon 3 power 4, 1 upon 5 power 4, they are nothing but what? The term which are in there in the very first series in the odd terms, right? In what are the terms are placed in the odd terms, that terms only we are taking while making alpha. Similarly, if you see the beta is formed by taking all the even terms of the above series. Correct? This is what two things that we know. It means what? If I add alpha and beta together, so I will get the above series that we are having. Okay. Before doing that, let's see our beta one more time. So if you closely observe here, beta is nothing but 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 4 power 4 plus 1 by 6 power 4 and so on infinity, right? And if you closely observe in each term of beta, 1 upon 2 power 4 is what? Common. So what I can take? I will take 1 upon 2 power 4 out. So what I will get then? So my beta will be what? 1 by 2 power 4 out. Then here what I will get? 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 4 plus here 6 power 4. So 1 upon 2 power 4 is gone. So I will get 1 upon 3 power 4 and so on till infinity. Correct? Now if you closely observe from equation 1. So if you closely observe from equation 1, here this value is nothing but this value, correct? So from equation 1, I can substitute the value of 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 till infinity, right? And that value is given by what? That value is given by pi power 4 by 90. So what I will get my beta? My beta will become 1 by 2 power 4 into pi power 4 by 90. Okay, this is one thing that I am having now. Okay, so I got the beta value. Now what I need to find? I just need to find the alpha value. Okay, now for that, just observe the thing. If I add alpha and beta together, so what will happen? So let's do it. So alpha plus beta is what? So alpha value is nothing but what? 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 5 power 4 and so on till infinity. And similarly, beta value is what? Beta value is nothing but 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 4 power 4 and plus 1 by 6 power 4 till infinity. Correct? I hope this idea is clear. Now see one more thing. I can take this 2 power 4 here, right? I can bring this 2 power 4 and here what I can write? I can write it as 1 upon 1 power 4 and this 2 power 4 I am taking here. So I can write it as 1 by 2 power 4 and similarly then 1 by 3 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4, then 1 by 4 power 4 again I will bring here. So 1 by 4 power 4 and so on. This thing I will get till infinity. Now if you closely observe, this is my very first series that they have given, right? And this sum I know from the equation 1, this sum is nothing but pi power 4 by 90. So it will become what? Pi power 4 by 90. So from here I will get a relation of alpha and beta. So we are saying that, okay, the sum of alpha and beta is nothing but what? That is nothing but pi power 4 by 90. Correct. Now I am having the information about the beta. The beta is nothing but 1 upon 2 power 4 into pi power 4 by 90. So what I will do, I will just substitute this beta value over here and then I will get the alpha value. Okay. So what I will get from here, then alpha we can say that is nothing but pi power 4 by 90 minus beta. Correct. Now beta value I am already having, that is nothing but 1 by 2 power 4 into pi power 4 by 90. So alpha will become what? Pi power 4 by 90 minus beta value 1 by 2 power 4 into pi power 4 by 90. Okay. So I'll just take pi power 4 by 90 out. So what I will get? I will get pi power 4 by 90 into, here what I will get? Here I will get 1 minus 1 upon 2 power 4. Okay. So the overall value of alpha will become what? Pi power 4 by 90. And here if I take LCM, that will become 2 power 4 minus 1 by 2 power 4. And that is nothing but what? 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. And 16 minus 1 is nothing but 15. So 15 by 16 I will get. So what I will get? I will get 15 into pi power 4 upon 16 into 90. Okay. So I'll just keep it like this only. Okay. Now I am having the value of alpha and I am having the value of beta also. So what I need to find? I need to find the value of alpha by beta. So alpha value is what? Alpha value is nothing but 15 into pi power 4 by 16 into 90 divided by beta value is what? Beta value I am having 1 by 2 power 4 into pi power 4 by 90. So 1 by 2 power 4 into pi power 4 by 90. So if you closely observe here, so pi power 4 by 90, pi power 4 by 90 gone, and 2 power 4 which is 16 and 2 power 4 which is 16 gone. So what I will get? I will get overall value as alpha. So from here we can say my alpha by beta is nothing but 15. Okay. This is what I wanted to find. Correct. So my value will be what? Option D. Okay. Let's see the second question. Okay. So what they are saying? They are saying that let an be the nth term of an AP. Okay. So we are having a sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on AN which is in AP. This is what they have given. Okay. And they are saying that Sn is nothing but A1 plus A2 plus A3 till AN. It means Sn is nothing but sum of first n term. Correct. Which value they have given, that is nothing but 700. It means Sn equal to 700 they have given. Another information. Okay. So first sequence is in AP whose nth term, sum of first n term is nothing but 700. Okay. Now another information they have given, that is what? A6 equal to 7 and S7 equal to 7. So A6 they have given as 7 and S7 they have given as 7. Correct. Now they are asking about what is the value of AN. So the idea is what? This idea is very simple here. What I will do, I will just find the value of first term and common difference and the value of n. Correct. And for that I am going to use the given information that they have given. Okay. So let's see now. So let's assume first. So let us assume that A is the first term. A is first term and D is common difference. So if A is first term and D is common difference, A6 can be written as what? A6 can be written as A plus 5D. And which values they have given is nothing but what? 7. So one equation I will get. Let's name the equation as equation 1. And similarly they have given S7. So S7 what they have given? They have given that is nothing but 7. So in this case, if I need to see the S7 value, so S7 will be what? Sum of first 7 term. So sum of first n term is given by what? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct. If common difference in first term we are having, so we will write our Sn as like this. Now n value is here what? Here the n value is 7. So S7 will become what? It will become 7 by 2 into a plus n minus 1, that is nothing but 6 into d equal to 7 they have given. Okay. So 7 gone, and again I will take 2 common from here, then 2 and 2 will also cancel out. So what I will get in the next step, I will get a plus 3d equal to 1. Correct. Now I am having 2 equation, 2 unknowns. So for solving this 2 equation, 2 unknown, what I will do, either I will go for the elimination or I will go for the substitution. So I am gonna use the elimination. So what I will do, I will subtract equation 1 by equation 2. So after doing this thing, this a will cancel out and 5d minus 3d will become 2d and the right hand side, in the right hand side 7 minus 1 will become 6. So from here I will get the value of D, which is nothing but what? 3. So D value I am having now. So after getting the D value, what I need to do, I will just substitute this D value into equation 2 or equation 1, and then I will try to obtain the value of A. So let's substitute it now. So D equal to 3, I am going to substitute in equation 2. So what I will get? A plus 3 into the value of D is nothing but 3 equal to what? 1. So it means A value is nothing but what? 1 minus 3 into 3 is 9. That is nothing but this will imply A equal to minus 8. I hope the idea is clear. Now I am having the value of A and the value of D also. Okay, so what I will do, I am going to calculate the value of N now. So how I will calculate? Again, they have given Sn equal to 700, and I know what is the formula for Sn when the sequence are in arithmetic progression. So what it will be? Since Sn is nothing but 700 they have given, correct? It means what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D will become what? 700. Correct? Now A and D value we are having. So let's substitute it over here and do the cross multiplication of this 2 in this side. So what I will get? N into 2 times A value is minus 8 plus N minus 1 times D value we are having as 3 equal to 7 to the 14. So 1400 I will get this side. So what I will get now? I will get N times, this is nothing but 9, 2 8 is 16. So minus 16 plus 3n minus 3 equal to 1400. Correct? I hope till this step everything is clear. Now let's see next. So what I will get? N into, this is my 3n minus 16 minus 3, that is nothing but minus 19 equal to 1400. Okay. So it will become what? 3n square minus 19 times n equal to 1400. Okay, so it will become what? 3n square minus 19n minus 1400 equal to 0. Correct? Now I got a nice quadratic equation in terms of n. So the idea is what? The idea is to solve this quadratic equation and figure out the value of n. So let's do it. Let's go with the factorization. So if you closely observe this 19, we can break this 19 in terms of 75n and 56n. So what I can write? Let's factorize it. So I will get what? 3n square minus 75n plus 56n minus 1400 equal to 0. Correct? Now from here take 3n common. So what I will get? 3n common. So n minus 25 I will get. Plus if I take 56 common. So from here I will get n minus 25 equal to 0. So from here what I will get? I will get n minus 25 into 3n plus 56 equal to 0. Correct? It means I am getting here two values of n. One is n equal to 25 and another value that I am getting is nothing but what? N equal to minus 56 by 30. 56 by 3. Now if you closely observe, this n is nothing but an integer because number of terms we are saying, right? So n is an integer. So n we cannot take it as minus 56 by 3. So this answer, this option will not be correct. I mean n cannot be minus 56 by 3. So what I will get then? N equal to 25 I need to take in this case. Correct? Now what I need to find? So n value we are having. No, next what I need to find? I need to find the value of an now. So I'll just do it here. Correct? So what I am having, just a minute. So what I am having a value as minus 8, d value as 3 and n value I got as 25. And they are asking about an in this case. So an will be nothing but what? A25. And A25 is what? It is nothing but A plus 24 times D. Correct? So it means what? A value is minus 8 plus 24 times D value is 3. So I will get what? Minus 8 plus 24, 3 is 72. That is nothing but what? 64. So I will get my AN as 64. So I hope the idea behind this question is clear. It was a very simple problem from arithmetic progression. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Okay. So answer will be option D, 64. Okay. Now let's see our third question of the list. Okay. So what they are saying in this question? They are saying that if the sum of second, fourth, sixth terms of a GP of positive term is 21 and the sum of 8, 10, 12 terms is 53,309. Then we need to find the sum of its 9 term. what it will be that we need to find. So let's see the information that they have given. They are saying that the sum of second, fourth and sixth term of a GP of positive term. GP of positive term is 21. Okay. So let's see now. So let us assume that A1, A2, A3 and so on. The sequence is nothing but in GP. Correct? In GP whose first term is A is first term and R is what? Common ratio. Okay. Now, since this series is a sequence of positive or geometric progression is a positive term sequence. So, in this case, the only one possibility is what? A must be positive and at the same time R must be positive. Okay. So, if this is the case, then only we can say that, okay, the given geometric progression is a sequence of positive terms. Now, A is positive, R is positive. Now, what they have given? Sum of second, fourth and sixth term of GP is 21. It means A2 plus A4 plus A6 they have given as what? That is nothing but 21. Okay. Since it's first A is first term, R is common ratio, so A2 will become AR plus A4 will become AR square, AR power cube, AR cube plus A6 will become what? AR power 5 equal to 21. I hope this is clear. So I will give the name this particular equation as equation 1. So this is my equation 1. Similarly, another information they have given, the sum of 8th, 10th and 12th term is 15,309. Okay. So it means A8 plus A10 plus A12 equal to 15,309. This is another information. It means what? AR power 7 plus AR power 9 plus AR power 11 is nothing but 15,309. So we can take R power 6 common. Why I am taking, I will tell you, I will let you know later. So if I take R power 6 common, so here I will get AR plus AR cube plus AR power 5 equal to 15,300 equal to 15,309. Okay. Now give this equation as 2. Now if you closely observe, here in equation 1 we are having the value of AR plus AR cube plus AR power 5. This is what here. That's why I have taken R power 7 out. Correct. So we can substitute this value. So what I will get? So from equation 1 and 2, what we can write? We can write this value of AR plus AR cube plus AR power 5 as 21. So I will get what? R power 6 into this value is nothing but 21 equal to 15,309. Correct? So it means R power 6 is nothing but what? 15,309 divided by 21. So if I cancel it out, so it will go 7 times. This is nothing but 5,103, and then again if I cancel out, so it will become 729. So it means what? I will get R power 6 as 729. That is nothing but what? Here R power 6 as, so R equal to what I will get? I will get plus or minus 3, because plus 3 power 6 equal to minus 3 power 6 equal to 729. Correct? Now here, see, since R is positive, so R must be 3, because R we cannot take at minus 3. So R value I am having as 3. So once I am having the R value, what I need to find next? I just need to find the value of A. So how we will find? Let's substitute over there. So from the equation 1, so from 1, what I am having? I am having AR plus, so A I will take common. So R plus R cube plus R power 5 values they have given. So that value is nothing but what? That value is nothing but 21. So let's substitute the value of 3. So again, let's substitute the value of 3. So I will get 3 plus 3 cube plus 3 power 5 equal to 21. Take 3 out. So 3A equal to 1 plus 3 square is 9 and 3 power 4 is 81 equal to 21. Okay. So this will go 7 times. So what I will get? I will get A into, this is nothing but 10 and 91 equal to 7. It means from here I will get the value of A as 7 by 91, and that is nothing but 1 by 13. So I will get the value of A as 1 by 13. This is the value of A. Okay. Now I am having the value of A and the value of R. Now what I need to find? I need to find S9, right? They are asking about then the sum of its first 9 term. It means I need to find S9. Correct? And I know in geometric progression, what is my Sn? It is nothing but A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 when modulus of R is greater than 3. Greater than 1, right? Modulus of R is greater than 1, right? Here R value is what? 3. So we can use this formula. So what I will get? S9 is nothing but what? A into R power 9 minus 1 upon R minus 1. So let's substitute the value of A and R. So that will become what? 1 by 13 into R power 9 means 3 power 9 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Okay. So this will become what? Okay, I'll write here. So this will become what? 1 by 13 times 3 power 9 is nothing but what? 3 power 9 is nothing but 19,683 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is nothing but 2. So what I will get? I will get 19,682 divided by 2 into 13. Correct? So if I will cancel out, so what I will get? I will get the value it as 757. Okay. We just need to cancel it out. Okay. So what I will get? My S9 will become what? 757. The value of S9 will be 757. Which option? Option A. So I hope this question is clear. Okay. Now let's see next question. Now let's see this question. Okay. But what it is saying? It is simply saying that if x1, x2, x3, x4 be in geometric progression. Okay. Let's assume that these numbers are in geometric progression. And if 2, 7, 9, 5 are subtracted respectively from x1, x2, x3, x4. Then the resulting number are in arithmetic progression. A very interesting one. So basically what they are saying that, okay, we are having 4 numbers x1, x2, x3 and x4. And these numbers are nothing but are in GP. Okay, geometric progression. And when we are subtracting x1 by 2, x2 by 7, x3 by 9 and x4 by 5. Okay. So this resultant number that we are having, that will become what? Arithmetic progression. Okay. Then what we need to find? We just need to find the value of 1 by 24 times x1 into x2 into x3 into x4. Okay. So for that, what we need to find? We just need to find the value of x1, x2, x3 and x4. Okay. So the idea is what? Idea is what? Here also what I will do? I will assume first term of a geometric progression. Okay. And common ratio. And based on that information, I am gonna find the value of A and the value of R. Okay. So let's see now. So let us assume that A is nothing but x1, or which is what? First term of GP. First term. And R is nothing but what? Common ratio. Correct. So once we are having this information, my x1 will become A, x2 will become AR, x3 will become what? AR square, and x4 will become what? AR power 4. Correct. So AR square, x4 will become AR power 3. Correct. So AR square and AR cube are in what? Geometric progression that they are saying. Okay. Now they are saying that x1 minus 2. So x1 minus 2 will become what? So x1 minus 2 is nothing but what? It is nothing but A minus 2. Then x2 minus 7. That is nothing but what? AR minus 7. x3 minus 9. So x3 minus 9 is nothing but AR square minus 9. And lastly, x4 minus 5, which is nothing but what? AR cube minus 5 that they are having. And they are saying that these are in what? Arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression means they will have common difference, right? It means first term minus second term will be equal to third term minus second term, and that will be equal to fourth term minus third term. Okay. So what I am going to do here, so I will assume that, okay, here this x1 minus 2, it means this A1 is nothing but my x1 minus 2, A2 is nothing but my x2 minus 7, A3 is nothing but my AR minus 7, A3 is nothing but my x3 minus 9, and A4 is nothing but x4 minus 5. And this will imply that, okay, A1, A2, A3 and A4 are in AP. So if they are in AP, they will have common difference. It means what? A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2 will be equal to A4 minus A3. Understood this idea? Correct? So let's write down that. So take A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. So what I will get? A2 value is what? A2 value is x2 minus 7 and x2 minus 7 is nothing but AR minus 7. So I will get AR minus 7 minus A1 value is what? X1 minus 2. That is nothing but A minus 2 equal to A3 value is what? A3 value is x3 minus 9 and x3 minus 9 is AR square minus 9. So this will become what? AR square minus 9 and A2 value already we have discussed, that is nothing but AR minus 7. So what I will get here? Take this, just open this. So what I will get? AR minus 7 minus A plus 2 equal to AR square minus 9 minus AR plus 7. So what I will get? I will get AR minus A, here minus 7 plus 2 is nothing but minus 5 equal to AR square minus AR minus 2. So let's take all those things this side, all this AR term this side and minus 5 that side. So what I will get? I will get AR minus A minus AR square minus plus AR equal to 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. Okay, so from the first two term, if I can take A out, so what I will get? A into R minus 1 and here minus A out, so minus AR out. So minus AR if I take out, so it will become what? R minus 1 equal to 3. So this will become what? This will become nothing but AR minus 1 we can take out. So AR minus 1 into 1 minus R equal to 3. It means what? It is nothing but A into R minus 1 the whole square equal to minus 3. So this value I am having. So let's name it as equation 1. In the next case, what I will do? I will take A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3 together. So what I am having? I am having A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. Correct? This information I am having. So for that, what I need to do? What is the value of A3 minus A2? So A3 minus A2, if you closely observe, this value I have calculated over here. So A3 minus A2 will become what? AR square minus AR minus 2 equal to A4 minus A3. What it will be? So for A4 minus A3, so A4 value is nothing but what? X4 minus 5. So X4 value is what? AR cube minus 5. And A3 value again what? A3 value is nothing but AR square minus 9. So minus of AR square minus 9. So what I will get? I will get, okay, so from here I can take common. So R minus 1 again I will get minus 2 equal to, this is nothing but AR cube minus 5 minus AR square plus 9. So what I will get? AR times R minus 1 minus 2 equal to, so AR cube AR square. So from here if I take AR square common, so again I will get R minus 1 and minus 5 plus 9 will become 4. Correct? So what I will get? Take this one this side. So I will get AR into R minus 1. This will become minus AR square R minus 1. Correct? And here I will get what? Equal to 6. So what it will be? Now take AR R minus 1 common. So AR R minus 1 common if I take, so here I will get 1 minus R equal to 6. It means AR into R minus 1 the whole square equal to minus 6. Another information that I am having. Correct? So I am having two equation, two unknown. So what I will do? I will just divide the equation 2 by equation 1. So if I just let me make the space over here. So if equation 2 divided by equation 1. So once I will do this thing, so what I will get? AR into R minus 1 the whole square. So AR into R minus 1 the whole square divided by A into R minus 1 the whole square. A into R minus 1 the whole square. That is nothing but what? Minus 6 by minus 3. So R minus A into R minus 1 the whole square gone. Here this will go 2 times. So R value I will get it as 2. So now R value I am having, I can easily find the value of A. So A value will be what? So r equal to 2, I will substitute in equation 1. So from 1, if I substitute r equal to 2 here, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 square is 1. So a value will become what? A value will become minus 3. Correct? Now a value is minus 3. So what I need to calculate? I need to calculate 1 by 24 times x1, x2, x3, x4. So that will become what? 1 by 24 times x1 is nothing but a, x2 is nothing but ar, x3 is nothing but ar square, and x4 is nothing but ar cube. The whole value will become what? 1 by 24 times. A value is what? A value is 2. So 2 into AR. So, sorry, A value is minus 3. AR will become what? 2 into minus 3, that is nothing but 6. Correct? AR square means 4 into minus 3, that is nothing but minus 24. Sorry, 4 into minus 3 is 12. Minus 12. And then 8 into minus 3 is minus 24. So minus 24, 24 gone. So what I will get? Minus minus plus. So 12, 6, so what it will be? It will become 18 multiplied by 12. Correct? So that is nothing but what? 216. So my answer will become what? My answer will become 1 upon 24 times x1. So it will become x1, x2, x3, x4 will be equal to 216. This will be my value. Okay. So what I will get now? 216. Option B will be correct option. Correct? Okay. Now let's see very interesting question. Our question number 5. What they have given? They have given that, okay, if the sum of first 20 term of the series is given by 4 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 square plus 1 power 4. Okay. Similarly, 4 into 2 by 4 plus 3 into 2 square plus 2 power 4 plus 4 into 3 by 4 plus 3 into 3 square plus 3 power 4 plus 4 into 4 by 4 plus 3 into 4 square plus 4 power 4 is m by n. Then we need to find the value of m plus n, right? Where m and n are coprime. So what idea is that we are going to use? So here simple thing is there. See, this kind of question, if we are for solving this kind of question, we just need to check our an, and after that either we can go for sum of difference or we can go for vn method. So basically here we can try for vn method. Okay. So what we will do, let's see now. So let us assume that here Sn is nothing but Sn equal to 4 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 power 4 plus 4 into 2 by 4 plus 3 into 2 square, 3 into 2 square plus 2 power 4 plus 4 into 3 by 4 plus 3 into 3 square plus 3 power 4 and so on till n step, right? So if I need to find, if I can see closely here, this will be my term 1, this will be my term 2, this will be my term 3 and so on, right? So here if you see the common part, in term 1 here 4 into 1 is there, in term 2 4 into 2 is there, in term 4 4 into 3 is there. So if someone will ask what will be my term n, so for term n 4 into n will come, obviously. Correct? Now, in the denominator, if you closely observe, here 4, 4, 4 is coming everywhere. So, here also 4 will come plus. And 3 into 1, 3 into 2 square, 3 into 1 square will be there. 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 3 square, like that it is coming. So, it will become what? 3 into n square plus 1 power 4, 2 power 4, 3 power 4 is coming. So, it will become what? N power 4. So, this will be my term n or nth term you can say. Correct? Now, if I am having nth term, so I can write my Sn as what? I can write my Sn as r is going from 1 to n tr. So that will become what? Summation over r is going to from 1 to n 4 times r by 4 plus 3 into r square plus r power 4. Okay. Now I need to do some manipulation in this tr only. Okay. So let's check. Let us write again. Tr equal to 4r upon 4 plus 3 into r square plus r power 4. Now the idea is what? I will just add r square in the denominator and subtract it. So what I will get? So if you closely observe my denominator, so what it will become? It will become 4 plus 4r square plus r power 4 minus r square. So this value is nothing but what? r square plus 2 the whole square. So what I will get my TR. My TR will become 4r upon r square plus 2 the whole square minus r square. Correct? So this is nothing but what? A square minus b square formula. So it will become what? One time addition, one time subtraction. So what I will get? 4r upon r square plus 2 minus r in one bracket, in another bracket r square plus 2 plus r. So one time subtraction, one time addition, right? I hope till this idea is clear. So more simplified version I can write it as what? TR equal to 4r upon r square minus r plus 2 and r square plus r plus 2. Correct? Correct? Till this, I think everything is clear. Now, what idea that you need to apply? Here, if you closely observe, 4r is there. So, this r, what I can write? So, this 4r. So, if I will take these two terms. So, just observe here. Observe. R square plus r. It means this term. Minus r square minus r plus 2. That is nothing but what? R square plus r plus 2 minus r square plus r minus 2. It means r square gone, plus 2 gone. So that is nothing but what? 2r. It means my TR can be written as what? 2 times r square plus r plus 2 minus r square minus r plus 2 whole divided by r square minus r plus 2 into r square plus r plus 2. Correct? This is what we can do. Now next, let's split it down. So what I will get? I will get TR equal to 2 times. It will become what? If I take r square plus r by 2 upon this thing. So this one and this one will cancel out. I mean, this one and this one will cancel out. And in total, I will get what? I will get 1 upon r square minus r plus 2. Minus, similarly, if I take this upon all those things, so this one and this one will cancel out. And I will get what? I will get 1 upon r square plus r plus 2. Correct? So this is my TR. Okay. Understood? So let's see next now. So I am having my TR. So my TR will become what? So I'll just make a space over here. So my TR is nothing but 2 times 1 by r square minus r plus 2, then minus 1 upon r square plus r plus 2. Correct? Now, Sn is what? Sn is nothing but r is going from 1 to n. Here I will get what? 1 upon r square minus r plus 2 minus 1 upon r square plus r plus 2. So let's open it now. So after opening it, Sn will become what? My Sn will become just r equal to 1. If I substitute, to what I will get? R equal to 1 means 1 by 2. It means 1 square minus 1 will become cancel out. So 1 minus 1 cancel out. So I will get 1 by 2 minus, here I will get what? 1 plus 1 plus 2. So it will become 1 by 4 plus r equal to 2. So 1 upon r equal to 2 means 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 2. So that will become 4 minus 8 and so on. Similarly, I can take it till n terms. So nth term will be what? My nth term will be 1 upon n square minus n plus 2 minus 1 upon n square plus n plus 2. Correct? Now, if you closely observe 1 by 4 gone. Similarly, 1 by 8 will cancel out. Similarly, till this step, it will cancel out. So basically, it become a telescope. So in this case, my Sn will become what? My Sn will become, here obviously 2 will be there in out. 2 will be there. Okay, I forgot it. So 2 times it will become 1 by 2 minus 1 upon n square plus n plus 2. Correct? This will be the value of Sn. Now what I need to find? I need to find S20. So for S20, substitute n equal to 20. So what I will get? 2 into 1 by 2 times minus 1 upon 20 square is 400 plus 20 plus 2. So what I will get? I will get my S20 as 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 422. correct? So 2 we can take out and cancel out. So I will get S20 equal to 1 minus 1 upon 211. So S20 will become what? 211 minus 1 upon 211 means 2110 upon 211. Correct? So if you closely observe, 2110 and 211 are relatively prime. So this is equal to m by n. Correct? So m equal to 2110, 210 and n equal to 211. So m plus n will be what? My m plus n will become, it will become 4 to 1. So m plus n value will be 4 to 1. So which option? The option B will be correct option. Okay, so now let's see question number 6. Okay, so what they are saying? They are saying that consider two sets are there. Okay, two sets are there, A and B, each containing 3 numbers in AP. Okay, so A, suppose I am having a set A which is containing numbers like A1, A2, A3. Okay, and these numbers are in AP. Another set I am having B, okay, which is containing B1, B2 and B3, and this also in AP. Okay, so A and B are containing three numbers, those are in AP. Then let the sum and product of the elements of A is 36 and P respectively. It means they are saying that A1 plus A2 plus A3 equal to 36 and A1 into A2 into A3 equal to P. Correct? Similarly, and the sum and product of the element of B is 36, they are saying. It means what? B1 plus B2 plus B3 equal to 36. At the same time, B1 into B2 into B3 equal to Q. This is what they are saying. Now, after that, they have given that, okay, let D and small d and capital D be the common difference of APs in A and B. It means what? For this AP, the common difference is D, they are saying, and for this AP, common difference is capital D, they are saying. Okay. Then after that, such that capital D equal to D plus 3. So they have given another information is D. So capital D equal to D plus 3. Okay. So this is also one the information they have given, where D is positive number. Okay, sir. Next, what they are saying? They are saying that P plus Q upon P minus Q equal to 19 by 5. Then we need to find the value of P minus Q. So lastly, one information they have given is P plus Q minus P minus Q equal to what? 19 by 5. And based on this information, I need to find the value of P and Q. Okay. And for finding the value of P and Q, what is necessary? The necessary things is what? If somehow I am able to find the value of A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will assume that, okay, so since 3 terms are there in AP, A1, A2, A3. So what I will assume, okay, I will assume that, okay, before that, I will solve this P plus Q upon P minus Q equal to 19 by 5. Okay. So if this is the case, then one thing that we know is what? If A by B equal to C by D. Correct? So this thing will be equal to what? A plus B by A minus B. This thing we can do. So this equal to A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. Correct? This thing we can do. So it means what? Here also if I apply the same case, so it will become what? P plus Q plus P minus Q upon P plus Q minus P plus Q equal to what? 19 plus 5 upon 19 minus 5. So that will become what? Here QQ will cancel out and here PP will cancel out. So it will become what? It is nothing but 2P upon 2Q is 24 by 14. So that will become what? P by Q equal to 12 by 7. Correct? So P by Q value I am having as 12 by 7. Okay. Now let's see further. Now if you closely observe these equations, so for A, if I need to solve, so what I will do, I will assume that A1 equal to A minus D. Okay. Obviously D is a common difference. A2 equal to A, and A3 will be what? A plus D. Correct? So D is common difference, obviously. So sum of AP they have given is nothing but 36. It means A minus D plus A plus A plus D equal to what? 36. Correct? D gone. So it means what? 3A equal to 36. It means what I will get? I will get A equal to 12. So A value I am having 12. Correct? Similarly for BI series also they are saying that B1 plus B2 plus B3 equal to 36. So I will assume that B1 equal to B minus D, B2 equal to B, and B3 equal to B plus D. So here capital D we are using, so I will use capital D only. So B3 equal to B plus capital D. Correct? So what I will get? Since B1 plus B2 plus B3 is again 36, so it means what? B minus D plus B plus B plus D equal to what? This is nothing but 36. So DD again gone. So I will get what? 3B equal to 36. It means B equal to what? B is nothing but 12 again. Correct? So B and A we are having. So A will become what in this case? So my set A will become what? A will have 12 minus D and 12 plus D. Correct? And B will have what? B will have element as 12 minus capital D plus 12 minus capital D, 12 and 12 plus capital D. Now capital D is nothing but what? Capital D is my, where is capital D? Okay, capital D is D plus T. So let's substitute here. So B will become what? B will become 12 minus D value is D plus 3. So minus D minus 3, then 12, and here 12 plus D plus 3. So this B will become what? My B will become 9 minus D, 12 and 15 plus D. Correct? Now I am having A and B. Now with the help of this A and B, what I will do, I'll just try to find A1. See, one more information we are having, right? We are having A1, A2, A3 equal to P and B1, B2, B3 equal to Q. So let's go it. So A1, A2, A3 equal to P means what? It means simply, so from here it means, so since A1, A2, A3 equal to P, it means what? 12 minus D into 12 into 12 plus D equal to P. It means what? 12 into 144 minus D square equal to what? P. How it come? A plus D, A minus B formula. Correct? Next. Similarly, B1 into B2 into B3 equal to Q they have given. Okay, I'll just put it in terms of bracket. Okay. So equal to Q they have given. It means what? 9 minus D into 12 into 15 plus D equal to what? Q. That will imply what? 12 times the 135 minus 6D minus D square equal to what? It is nothing but Q. Correct? So I am having Q value as well. I am having P value as well. Right? And one more information they have given is what? P by Q equal to 12 by 7. So if I substitute there, so since P by Q is nothing but what? 12 by 7. So let's substitute the value of P and Q. So what I will get? 12 into 144 minus D square upon 12 into 135 minus 6D minus D square equal to 12 by 7. So 12 gone. So if I do the cross multiplication, what I will get? 7 times 144 minus D square equal to 12 times 135 minus 6D minus D square. Correct? Correct? Till this clear? Now let's substitute it. So what I will get? So multiply here. So 1008 I will get, then minus 7D square equal to this is nothing but 1620 minus 72d minus 12d whole square. Correct? Now I'll take this all those things this side. So after simplification, what I will get? 12d square minus 7d square. That is nothing but what? 5d square. Plus this will become what? 7 minus 72d minus 72d. Correct? So minus plus 72d I will get. Then this will become what? 1008 minus 1620. So it will become what? Minus 612 equal to 0. Okay. So after simplification, what I will get? I'll just need to find the value of d. So from here, if I find the roots, so the roots will become what? The roots will become d minus 6. Okay, factor will be d minus 6 and another factor will be what? 5d plus 102 equal to 0. It means d value will be what? 6 or d value will be what? Minus 102 by 5, which we cannot take it. Correct? Which we are not going to take it. So what we will get now? D equal to 6. Okay. Why we are not taking that value? Because they have given that is greater than 0. Okay. So since d is greater than 0, I am not going to take d as minus 102 by 5. Okay. So d equal to 6 I am going to take now. So if d equal to 6, so capital D will become what? So capital D is nothing but d plus 3. So in that case, capital D will become what? My capital D will become 9. So now I am having the value of capital D and I am having the value of A and B also. So what I will get? I will get my sequence will become what in this case? So my A will have the value as what? So here A was what? A was 12 minus D, 12 and 12 plus D, and D is 6. So what I will get? My A value will become what? My A value will become what? 12 minus D. It is 6. 12 and 12 plus D is 18. Correct? And B value is what? B value will become what? 9 minus D. So 9 minus D means 9 minus 6. So that is 3. And then 12. And then 15 plus D. So 15 plus D is nothing but what? 15 plus 6. That is nothing but 21. So I am having A and B. Now what I need to calculate? They are just asking about P minus Q. So P value do we have? So for P value is what? Multiplication of all those numbers. So P is nothing but what? 6 into 12 into 18. And Q is what? 3 into 12 into 21. Right? So P value will become what? So this is nothing but 1296. And this is nothing but what? 756. Correct? So P minus Q will be what? So P minus Q will become 1296 minus 756. 1296 minus 756. So that value is nothing but what? 540. Correct? So P minus Q will become 540. So which option? 540, option A. Okay. So I hope this question is clear. Now let's see next question. In this question, what they are saying? They are saying that let A equal to 1, 6, 11, 16 and B equal to 9, 16, 23, 30 be a sets consisting first 2025 terms of two arithmetic progression. Okay. So basically they are saying that, okay, A is a set which is having element as 1, 6, 11, 16 and so on, and this is arithmetic progression, and this A will have 2025 term, means n of A equal to 2025 that they have given. Correct? Another information they have given is what? Again, similarly, we are having another set consisting terms of arithmetic progression, that is 9, 16, 23, 30. Correct? And again, this will have 2025 term. It means again they are saying that n of B equal to nothing but 2025. Correct? Now, they just want what? They just want to, they are just asking that, okay, how many element will be there in A union B? Correct? So, how to find? So, what we know that in A union B, number of element in A union B, that is nothing but what? That's nothing but number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. Correct? So, it means what? This will become, how many elements are there in A? That is nothing but 2025. And how many elements are there in B? That is again nothing but 2025 minus n of A intersection B. So it will become what? It will become 4050 minus 10 of A intersection B. Correct? Now what I need to find now? I need to find the common term sequence. Okay? It means I need to find what are the terms are there which are in A as well as in B also. It means I need to find A intersection B, what it will be, and along with that, how many element will be there in my A intersection B. This is what we need to find. Okay, so for that there is one result that we are saying that, okay, if we are having a sequence, we are having a arithmetic sequence, we are having two arithmetic sequence, okay, then the common term sequence that we are going to see, that will also be in arithmetic progression, okay, with common difference LCM of L1 and L2. Okay, so if you closely observe for the first sequence, the first term is what? The first term A is 1, okay, and common difference is what? Common difference D is nothing but 5. Similarly, for the second sequence, first term B is nothing but 9, and the common difference is what? Common difference is what? 7. Correct? 7. So for A intersection B, so for A intersection, someone will ask, so first term will be what for A intersection B? So for A intersection B, first term will be what? First term. So first term, I will say that, okay, this is nothing but my capital A, or let's see, common term. Na? So I will say for first term, that is nothing but C, and that is given by what? The first common term. So if you closely observe, 16 is here, first common term. So 16 will become what? First common term, and common difference will become what? So common difference, I will say D1 or D dash, let's say. Common difference D1, that will become what? LCM of 7 and 5. LCM of 7 and 5. So that will become what? That will become 35. So D dash will be what? 35. Okay. Now I am having common difference and first term also. Now what I need to observe? Okay. So what it will be? Obviously, one thing that we know that what? N of A intersection V. Okay. So the number of element in A intersection B, this will always be less than or equal to minimum of number of element in A and number of element in B. Correct? So here that is nothing but what? 2025. So what will happen? At least this intersection will have less than 2025. So I'll just calculate how many it will be there. Okay. So for that, what I will do? I will just calculate the last term of this one, the last term of A and the last term of B as well. Okay. After saying looking that one, I will just see that, okay, where the last term of common sequence will lie. Okay. So let's calculate the A2025. It means the last term of A. So for A, last term or last term or A2025 I am asking. So that will become what? A plus 2024D. Correct? So A value is what? A value is nothing but here. A value is 1 plus 2024. D value is what? D value is 5. So this value will become what? In total, this value will become 10,120. Similarly, for B, last term is given by B 2025. That is nothing but what? B plus 2025, 2024 times D, capital D. Okay, so this will become what? So first term is what? B equal to 9 and B equal to 9 plus 2024 times D value is 7. So this whole value will become what? This value will become 14,177. I hope this is clear. It means whoever will be the nth term of this common term Cn. So this Cn will be always less than or equal to what? Minimum of this A 2025 and B 2025. Correct? It means what? This Cn will be less than or equal to what? It will be less than or equal to 10,120. Okay. So from here, I will just try to find the value of n. Okay. Now what it will be then? So Cn is nothing but what? C plus n minus 1 into d dash, it must be less than or equal to 10,120. Correct? Now C value what? C value is 16, right? C value is 16 and d dash is nothing but 35. So it will become what? 16 plus n minus 1 into 35 is less than or equal to 10,120. So this will imply 35n plus 16 minus 35. So that will become minus 19. It must be less than or equal to 10,120. So it means what? N must be less than or equal to 139 by 10139 by 35. Correct? And this value is nothing but 289.68. Correct? So it means you are saying that n must be less than or equal to 289.68. So from here we can say, so the maximum value of n that we will get, it is what? The maximum value of n will be 289. It means the maximum terms that Cn will take, or that common sequence will take, that will be what? 289 terms. So if I will ask how many term will be there in this common term, it means A intersection B. So the number of element in A intersection B will be what? It will be nothing but 289. Correct? So now this thing I am having. So I can easily substitute this value here. Correct? So I am having the value of A intersection B is nothing but number of element in A intersection B is nothing but 289. So this will become what? 4050 minus 289. Correct? So it means this will imply number of element in A union B is nothing but what? How many? 3761. Correct? This will be my answer. Okay. So the answer will be what? 3761, option D. So I hope this is clear. Okay. Now let's see our next question. Now let's see this question number 8. It's a very simple question. What they are saying, 1 plus 3 plus 5 square plus 7 plus 9 square up to 40 terms we need to calculate. So what I will do, I'll just assume that as equal to 1, and 1 can be written as 1 square plus 3 plus 5 square plus 7 plus 9 square and so on till 40 terms, right? So now I will split in terms of this square term in one bracket. So 1 square plus 5 square plus 9 square and so on. And another bracket I will take all the remaining term, that is nothing but 3 plus 7 and so on, right? Now if you closely observe, since total number of terms that S will contain, that is nothing but 40, and this 1 square, 5 square and 9 square, these all are odd terms, and this 3, 7 all are all what? They are even terms. And in a sequence, odd terms and even terms we are calculating. So here if 40 total number of terms are 40, so 20 odd term will be there and 20 even terms will be there. So this here, if someone will ask what is number of terms, so here we are considering 20 terms and here we are considering 20 terms, right? I will take that, okay, this is nothing but my S1 and this is nothing but S2. So S1, if someone will ask, so S1 I am taking it as what? 1 square plus 5 square plus 9 square and so on. And S2 is what? S2 I am taking it as 3, 7 plus so on. And here also 20 terms are there. And here also 20 terms are there. Correct? Now let's take S1. So S1 is what? 1 square plus 5 square plus 9 square and so on till 20 terms. Now if you closely observe the inside one, 1, 5, 9 and so on, that is in AP. Correct? So if someone will ask what will be its nth term, so nth term will be what? 1 plus n minus 1, and d value is nothing but 4 here. So that will become what? 4n minus 3. Correct? So this S1 also can be written as, again, this S1 can be written as summation over R from 1 to n, or 1 to 20 you can write, 1 to 20, 4n minus 3 the whole square. Correct? And that is nothing but what? Summation over R equal to 1 to 20, here 16n square minus 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24 times n plus 9, or R, sorry. In this case I am taking R, here also R will come. So R will come. Correct? It means what? Take the summation inside. So what I will get? I will get 16 into summation R is going from 1 to 20, R square, minus 24 out. This will become what? Summation is going from R to 20, r plus 90 times, and 9 times. Summation is going from r to 20. This is nothing but 1. Okay. Now closely observe here. This r square, r and 1. So r square is what? Sum of square of first natural term, right? First natural number. So it will become what? 16 times. This is nothing but what? Summation of n square we know. That is nothing but what? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. And summation of n is nothing but what? n plus 1 by 2. Correct? And here n equal to 20 we are having. So let's substitute here. So what I will get? I will get 20 into 21 into 41 by 6 minus 20 times 20 into 21 by 2 plus 9 into 20. Correct? Now let's divide it. So what I will get? This will go 10 times. This will go 7 times. So in total what I will get? I will get 16 into 10, that is nothing but 70 into 41 minus 20 times, this is 10. So 20 times 210 plus 180. So in total this will become what? This will become 45,920 plus 180 minus I will get 5040. Okay. So in total this value will be what? 41,060. Okay. So this will be my S1. Now S1 I am having, I just want what? S2. And S2 is what? 3, 7, 3, 7 and so on, right? 3, 7, 11 and so on. And this is nothing but what? Arithmetic progression. So for S2 is what? 3 plus 7 plus 11 and so on till 20 terms. So this is an arithmetic progression whose first term is 3 and common difference is 4. So S2 will become what? It will become 20 by 2 into 2a. It means 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into d. So 19 into d is what? 4. So 4. So what I will get now? 10 into 6 plus 76. So that is nothing but what? 820. Correct? Now I need to calculate the value of S. So S is nothing but S1 plus S2. So S1 value is 41060 plus S2 is what? 820. So overall the value will become what? 41,880. So S will become 41,880. So which option? 41,880, option B. I hope this is clear. Okay, now let's see next question. They are saying the sum of 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 2 factorial plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 by 3 factorial plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 by 4 factorial. Okay, so this sum we need to find till infinite term. So what it will be? So options are what? 3e, 2e, 4e and 6e. Correct? So here all are everywhere exponential is there. So we just understand that, okay, we are having a series that is called e power x. So this e power x will behave like 1 plus x plus x square by 2 factorial. Basically this you can write x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial, then x cube by 3 factorial and so on. And general term is someone will ask, that will become xn by xn factorial and it will go continuously, right? Now if you closely observe, if I substitute x equal to 1 over here, so what I will get? I will get e equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. Correct? So it is nothing but what? E equal to, we can write r equal to 1 to infinity, that is nothing but 1 upon, r equal to 0 to infinity 1 upon r factorial. Correct? So this is the value of e that we are having. Okay, now we are going to use this information for solving this particular question. So what is given? So let us consider that, okay, s equal to 1 plus, what they have given? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 by 2 factorial. Then next 1 plus 3 plus 5 by 3 factorial. And then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 by 4 factorial and so on they have given. Okay. So if someone will ask what will be its nth term. So the nth term will be what? Nth term an is given by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 till 2n minus 1 upon 4 factorial, right? So total n terms will be, upon n factorial. Correct? Now, how to do it? Now, if you closely observe the numerator is nothing but written in terms of arithmetic progression whose first term is 1 and the common difference is 3. And we need to find the first n term. So, what it will be? The numerator, it means since 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on till 2n minus 1. So, this will become what? N by 2 times a plus l. So, 1 plus 2n minus 1. So, it will become what? It will become n square. So, the numerator is nothing but what? N square. So, an will become in this case what? N square by n factorial. So, that is nothing but n by n. Now, this n factorial, one more property you understood. So, n factorial means nothing but what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2, and this will go till 3 to 1. Correct? It means what? If someone is asking what is 3 factorial, sir? So, 3 factorial will be what? 3 into 2 into 1. What is 4 factorial, sir? So, 4 factorial will be what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Someone will ask what is 5 factorial, sir? So, 5 factorial will be what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct? So, similarly, n factorial is what? n minus 1, n minus 2 till 3 to 1. Now, from n minus 1, if you closely observe, that is nothing but n minus 1 factorial. So, n factorial again can be written as what? n into n minus 1 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial, right? So, here what I can write? I can write this n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial. So, n will cancel out. So, I will get what? N upon n minus 1 the factorial. Now, for making this form, here 1 needed, right? But here I am having n. So, I need to remove this n. So, for that what I want? I will just subtract 1 and add 1. So, what I will get in this case? In this case, my an will become what? N minus 1 by n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. Correct? So, this will become what? This will become my an equal to, here again n minus 1 can be written as what? N minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So, here I will get n minus 1 upon n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial plus here I will get what? N minus 1 factorial. Correct? So, n minus 1, n minus gone. So, an will become what? 1 upon n minus 2 factorial plus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. I hope this is clear. Now, what I want? I want to find the s, and s is nothing but what? Summation 1 upon n minus 2 factorial plus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. Correct? And summation is going from what? This is, we need to include till infinite term. So, just split it. So, what I will get? I will get summation over n is going from 2 to infinity, because n 1 I cannot take. In this case, a minus 1 will come. N minus 1 factorial we don't know. And 0 factorial 1, right? So, minus 1 minus 2 factorial we can't do. So, n equal to 2 we will start. So, it will become what? 1 upon n minus 2 factorial plus this will become what? N is going from 1 to infinity, 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. Correct? Now, if you closely open this one, so that is nothing but what? 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial and so on. Similarly, if you will open this second one, so it will again become what? 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. And this is nothing but what? From the above result that I gave you previously, e equal to what? Plus 1 by 2, 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial. So, that will become what? E. So, this is nothing but e, and again this I will have e. So, what I will get? I will get s equal to 2e, right? So, my answer will be what? S equal to 2e. So, which option? Option B. So, I hope this question is clear. This question was very simple. We just need to use the idea of e power x, and some manipulation we need to do in between the question. Okay. Now, let's see next question. In this question, what they are saying, let a1, a2, a3, a4 be in GP of increasing positive number. Okay. So, increasing positive number. If a3, a5 they have given 7 to 9 and a2 plus a4 is given 111 by 4, then 24 times this we need to find what it will be. Okay. This like this question we have solved previously also. Okay. Now, let's see. This is one of the simplest question that we are having. Okay. So, how we will approach for this question? So, for this, what they have given, they are saying that a1, a2 and so on, a1, a2, a3 and so on, this is in GP. Okay, let's assume that this is in GP. If this is in GP, and another information they have given is what? A3 into A5 is equal to 7 to 9. Correct? And lastly, they have given A2 plus A4 equal to 111 by 4. Okay, so we are going to use this information. So what I will do, as usual, I am going to take first term as A. Okay, A will become my first term, and R will become what? Common ratio. Okay, now A I am having, R I am having, so A3 and A5 I can easily calculate. So my A3 will become what? A3 will be AR square and A5 will be AR power 4, right? So A3 into A5 will become what? So A3 into A5 will become, sorry, A2 I have written, A5 will become AR square into AR power 4, correct? It means what? This value they have already given, that is nothing but 729. It means what? This value will become what? A square into R power 6 is nothing but 729. It means what? A into R cube whole square equal to 729. Correct? Now, 729 is nothing but 27 the whole square. So, AR cube is either plus 727 or AR cube is minus 27. Correct? But in a question they have mentioned that is a increasing positive number. This is a series of increasing positive numbers. So this thing I cannot take. So from here I can get AR cube as 27. So AR cube is nothing but what? That is my fourth term. So from here I will get my A4 as 27. Okay. This is nice information that I got. Now another information they have given is what? A2 plus A4 is equal to 111 by 4. So it means A2 plus A4 they have given 111 by 4. So A4 value now only we have calculated, that is nothing but 27. So let's substitute over here. So what I will get? I will get A2 plus 27 equal to 111 by 4. It means A2 equal to 111 by 4 minus 27. Okay, so that is nothing but what? A2 equal to 111 minus 27 into 4 is equal to what? 108. 108 by 4. So that is nothing but what? 111 minus 108. That is nothing but 3 by 4. So A2 is nothing but AR. So AR will be what? 3 by 4. Now AR I am having. AR cube also I am having. This AR cube is 27. Right? So with the help of these two information, I am trying to find the value of A and R. So what I will do for that? I will just divide AR cube. It means I will just find the value of A4 by A2. That is nothing but what? AR cube by AR. So it will become what? 27 by 3 by 4. So this will become 9 times A gone, and this will go for 2 times. So I will get what? R square equal to 9 into 4. That is nothing but what? 6 square. Now here also I will get RS plus 6 and RS minus 6. But again they are saying that okay, it's a sequence of increasing positive terms. So R we cannot take as minus 6. So what I will get? I will get the value of R as 6. Correct? Now I am having the value of R and AR equal to 3 by 4. So in this case, A into 6, R value is 6 equal to what? 3 by 4. It means this will go 2 times. So A equal to what? 1 by 8 I am having. Now A value I am having, R value I am having 6. Correct? Now what they are asking? They are just asking that A1 plus A2 plus A3 will be what? 24 times. So 24 times A1 plus A2 plus A3. That is nothing but what? 24 times A plus AR square. Correct? So A value I will take common. So that is nothing but 24 into A inside 1 plus R square. Correct? Now substitute the value. So A value is 1 by 8. So 24 into 1 by 8. Here what I will get? 1 plus R value is 6 plus 6 square is 36. Correct? So this is 3 times go. So 3 into what I will get? 42 plus 43. So 43 into 3 I will get. That is nothing but what? 129. So answer will be what? 24 times A1 plus A2 plus A3 will be what? 129. Fairly simple question. Okay. Fairly simple question. So it will become what? Option B. 129. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now let's see next question. What they are saying, we need to find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 11 plus 25 plus 45 plus 71 up to 20 terms that we need to see. Okay. So directly if you closely observe here in this sequence, we cannot say that okay, this is in what? AP or this is in GP or this is in AGP, right? So for that, the idea that I am going to use here, So let's write first. So what I am having, I'll just write over here. So I'll just take that, okay, S equal to what? 1 plus 3 plus 11 plus 25 plus 45 plus 71. See, whenever I am getting a term like this, okay, so the first idea that comes in my mind is what? That should be, firstly, I will go for AP. Okay, so I will just check for whether this given sequence is in AP or not. Okay, if not, then I will move further for geometric progression. So whether it is geometric progression or not. Okay, if not, then I will go for AGP. So AGP also not means what I will do after that, I will see the difference between two consecutive terms from forward to backward direction. Okay, so if you closely observe here, the difference from 3 and 1 is 2. Here 11 and 3 is 8. And then here we are having 14. Then here we are having how much? 20. And then here we are having what? 26, right? So if you closely observe this different 2, 8, 14, 20, 26, that is nothing but in AP. So the common difference, the difference that we are looking for, the consecutive term difference, that I am getting in terms of what? AP. So this is nothing but this is direct question from sum of difference method. Okay. So difference method, how we will find? So I will just again write my S exactly and just I will shift 1 from the second term. So I will just start writing 1 from the second term. So 1, 3, then 11, then 25, then 45 and so on. So here I am assuming that, okay, an was there and here I am assuming that is nothing but an minus 1 plus an will come. And then what I will do, I will just subtract both of them. So what benefit I will get after doing this thing? If you closely observe, that common difference that I was looking for, that I will get as a resultant. So what I will get, this left hand side will become 0 and here what I will get, here 1 plus, here what I will get now, 2 plus 8 plus 14 plus 20 plus 26 and so on, okay, till n minus 1 term. Because if I am starting from here, so from 3 to n, how many terms are there? We are having n minus 1 term. So this total number of term from here to here will be what? N minus 1 terms. Correct? And similarly what I will have? I will have minus of an. Correct? Because here minus will come. So minus of an I will get. Now an I can take that side. So what I will get? My an will be what? 1 plus. Now this one, if I will take that, okay. Okay, now let's see. This an will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 14 plus 20 plus 26 and so on. Now here let's observe here. This 2, 8, 14, 20 and 26 are in AP. Correct? Are in AP and having n minus 1 terms. Okay. And here the common difference is what? Sorry, the first term is what? The first term is 2 and the common difference is what? 6. Correct? So I can easily find here Sn minus 1. So Sn minus 1 will be what in this case? In this case, Sn minus 1 will be n minus 1 by 2 into 2a. 2a means 4 plus n minus 2. N minus 1 minus 1. So n minus 2 I will get. So n minus 2 times 6. So this whole value will be what? I will take 2 common and cancel it out. So n minus 1 times. Here what I will get? Here I will get 2 plus n minus 2 times 3. So that is nothing but what? N minus 1 into 2 plus 3n minus 6. So this will become what? N minus 1 into 3n minus 4. Correct? Till now this thing we have got. And after that also we can just multiply here. So I will get 3n square minus 7n plus how much? 5. Correct? So this I will get Sn minus 1. It means from 1 I can easily find the value of an. So an will become what in this case now? An become 1 plus 3n square minus 7n plus sorry, here I will get 4. Okay. So 4. So here will be 4. So what I will get? I will get 3n square minus 7n plus 5. This will be my an. Now what I want to find? I just want to find this s. And s is nothing but what? Sum of first 20 term. Right? So s will be what? S will be summation over r is going from 1 to 20 3r square minus 7r plus 5. Correct? So let's take inside. So s will become what? 3 times r is going from 1 to 20, r square minus 7 times r is going from 1 to 20, r plus 5 times r is going from 1 to 21. So what I will get now? So I will simply get s equal to 3 into here 20 terms. So we know that, okay, that is nothing but r square. This can be written as from r equal to 1 to n. This is nothing but n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. And this is nothing but what? R equal to 1 to n, r sum of first natural number, n plus 1 by 2. Correct? Now let's substitute the value of 20 n. So that is nothing but 20. So I will get 20 into 21 into 41 by 6 plus, minus 7 into 20 into 21 by how much? By 2 plus 5 into 20. Correct? So my s value will become what? 1 to 10. So this will become what? 10 into 21 into 41. Here 10 times. So this will be what? Minus 7 into 10 into 21 plus 80. So overall s I will get what? 8610 minus 980 plus how much? Oh, sorry. Here I will get 100. So plus 100 I will get. Okay. So this overall value will be what? S equal to 7240. So I am getting S value as well. Okay. So this will be my answer. So 7240 value. So option A will be my correct option. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now let's see the next question. What it is saying? It is saying that the number of terms in an arithmetic progression is even, and the sum of all the odd terms is 24, and the sum of all the even terms are what? 30. Okay. And then after that they have given that, okay, the last term is exceeds the first term by 21 by 2. Okay. Then we need to find how many terms are there which are integers. So how we will do? So for that, so since they are saying that total number of terms in arithmetic progression is even, so I will assume that, okay, total terms that we are having is nothing but 2n. So total terms is equal to 2n. So if total terms are 2n, it means what? It will have some odd terms and some even terms. So how many odd terms it will have? Obviously, it will have n odd terms and n even term. So I will say that, okay, so total odd terms that we will have is n, and similarly total even terms will be what? It will be also n. Correct? So n odd terms I am having and even terms I am having. Now what they are saying that sum of all the odd terms is 24. So before doing this, firstly I will assume that, okay, let's consider that sequence is nothing but a1, a2, a3 and so on till a2n. Okay. Here I will assume that the first term a1 is nothing but a, and the common difference is nothing but what? D. Correct? So in this case what I will get? I will get my a1 as a, a2 as a plus d, a3 as a plus 2d, and similarly a2n, if someone will talk, that is nothing but a plus 2n minus 1 into d. Okay, correct. So I will get my I got my sequence, right? Okay, sequence is as a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 2n minus 1 into d. Okay, now what I need to calculate? Firstly, what they have given? They have given that, okay, even sum of odd terms is nothing but 24. It means sum of odd terms means what? The terms which are sitting in the odd places. So basically they are just simply saying that a1 plus a1 plus a3 plus a5 and so on till a2n minus 1. This is nothing but what? What they have given? 24. Correct? Similarly, they are saying that sum of even terms. It means the terms who are sitting in the even place. So a2 plus a4 plus a6 and so on till a2n they have given what? 30. Correct? Now the thing that we need to observe here, if you closely see this sequence a1, a3, a5 and so on a2n, so minus 1. So that is nothing but what? A plus 2d, a plus 4d and so on, a plus 2n minus 2 D, right? So this is also an arithmetic progression with first term A and common difference 2D, right? And total number of terms that this sequence is having n. So I can directly find the sum of n terms, n odd terms, right? So this will become what? This will become simply n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 into d value here is what? It is nothing but 2d, and this value they have given what? 24. It means from here, if simply someone will say, so that will become what? 24 equal to 2 I can take out and cancel it here. So I will get n into a plus n minus 1 into d, correct? And this also can be written as what? N into a plus nd minus nd, correct? It means I have just taken this d inside, so nd minus d will be there, and then I have taken n inside. So I will get 24 equal to this. I'll just give the name to this equation as equation 1, correct? Similarly, from this equation, a2 plus a4 plus a6, what I will get? Here also, this is also an arithmetic progression whose first term is a plus d and total common difference is 2d again. So, a2 plus a4 plus a6 till a2n equal to 30. This will imply n by 2 into a plus d plus n minus 1 into 2d. Sorry, 2 times a plus d will come equal to 30. So I can take 2 out and cancel it out with the denominator 2. So what I will get? I will get n into a plus d plus n minus 1 into d equal to 30. Correct? It means what? It means simply that, okay, n into a plus minus d plus d cancel out. So a plus nd value I will directly get it as 30, which is nothing but equation 2. Now, n into a plus nd equal to 30, that value I can substitute it over there in equation 1. So what I will get? I will just simply that get it what? 24 equal to 30 minus nd. It means what? Nd equal to 6. So one relation I will get in terms of n and d, that is nothing but nd equal to 6. That I will give it as equation 3. Now let's see further. So what they have given in another information? In another information they have given is that what? The last term exceeds the first term by 21 and half. Okay, 21 by 2 they are exceeding. It means the last term here is what? It is nothing but a to n. That is nothing but what? A plus 21 by 2 they are saying, right? So a to n we can directly find. So that is nothing but a plus 2n minus 1 into d equal to what? A plus 21 by 2. Correct? So a will cancel out. So what I will get? 2n minus 1 times d equal to 21 by 2. Correct? Now here d value is what? Now from here we can easily find the d value from the equation 3. So d value will become what? 6 by n. Correct? And that value I can substitute it over here. So what I will get? I will get 2n minus 1 times d value is 6 by n equal to 21 by 2. So let's cancel out. So this will go 2 times and 7. Here what I will get? I will get 2 to the 4 times 2n minus 1 equal to 7n. Correct? So this value will become what? 8n minus 4 equal to 7n. So overall value that I will get, that is what? 8n minus 7n equal to 4. This will imply n equal to 4, right? So now I am having the value of n. So if n equal to 4, so from the equation 3, d also I will get, correct? So since nd equal to 6, this will imply d equal to what? 6 by 4. This will imply d equal to 3 by 2. So now I am having the value of d as well, correct? Now I am having the value of d, I am having the value of n. Then from the equation 2, I can easily find the value of a as well. So right. So what is equation 2 that we are having? So from 2, I am having n into a plus nd. N into a plus nd equal to 30, right? This is what equation 2 is there. So let's substitute the value of n and d. So what I will get? 4 into a plus 4 into 3 by 2 equal to 30. Correct? So what I will get here? 4 into a plus, this is nothing but 2 times. So I will get 3 to the 6 equal to 30. It means a plus 6 equal to 30 by 4, that is nothing but 15 by 2. So a equal to what I will get? I will get 15 by 2 minus 6, that is nothing but what? 15 minus 12 by 2, that is nothing but how much? Again 3 by 2. So here what I am having? I am having a value also as 3 by 2, d also as 3 by 2, and n value I am having as 4. So total terms that we will get, that is what? So total terms we will have 2n, that is nothing but 8. Now among this total number of terms, we just need to find how many terms will be integer. So let's go with that. Okay. So firstly, first term I will check. So first term is nothing but a, that is given is what? 3 by 2. Okay. Second term is what? A plus d. So d value also 3 by 2, a value also 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, what I will get? 3. Similarly, a3 is nothing but a2 plus d. It means what? 3 by 2. Sorry, 3 plus 3 by 2. Correct? So that will become what? 9 by 2. Then a4 will be what? Again, a3 plus d. So 9 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So that is nothing but what? 12 by 2, 6. Then again, a5 will be what? a5 will be a4 plus d. So in this case, what I will get? 6 plus 3 by 2. So that is nothing but what? 15 by 2. Correct? a6 will be what? a6 will be my a5 plus d, that is nothing but 15 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So that is nothing but 18 by 2. This is what? 9. Similarly, a7 I can calculate, that is nothing but a6 plus d. So it is 9 plus 3 by 2. So that is nothing but 21 by 2. And similarly, a8 will be what? a7 plus a8. So that will become what? 21 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that will become what? 11. Now what they are asking, how many integer term are there? So what are integer? a1 not integer, a2 yes, a3 not integer, a4 yes, a5 not, a6 yes, a7 not, and a8 yes. So total number of integer term will be what? So total integer terms equal to what? 4. So answer will be what? 4. Option B. Okay. I hope this question is clear. Okay. Now let's see this question. Okay. So what is given over here? They are saying that let a1, a2, a3 be in arithmetic progression such that sum of all the 12 odd terms is nothing but minus of 72 by 5 into a1, where a1 is not equal to 0. So if sum of n terms, summation over k is going from 1 to n, ak equal to 0, then they are asking about the value of n. Okay. So easy question only. Okay. Now let's see how to solve it. So what they are saying that a1, a2, a3 are in AP. Okay. So for that, what I will assume? I will assume that, okay, the first term a1 is nothing but a, and d is what? This is my common difference. Okay. So in this case, a1 will be a, a2 will be what? A plus d, a3 will be what? A plus 2d, and so on. Correct. Now what they have given? They have given that, okay, summation over k is going from 1 to 12, a2k minus 1 equal to minus 72 by 5 times a1. Correct. This is what they have given. Okay. So if I open this summation, what I will get? I will get it as a1 plus a3 plus a5 and so on till 12 terms equal to, it is nothing but minus 72 times 72 by 5 times a1. Correct. So it means what? They are saying that you are taking 12 odd terms of an arithmetic progression and adding them. And after adding them, you are getting minus 72 times 72 by 5 times a1. Okay. So now let's see how we will do. Now one thing that we have seen that, okay, if a1, a2, a3 and so on till an are in AP, then this A1, A3, it means the odd terms that we are having. Okay, A1, A3, A5. This also be in AP. In AP with common difference how much? With common difference 2D. If the common difference of this ever VP was what? D. Correct? This is what we are having. So it means what? If you are talking about A1 plus A3 plus A5, correct? So this will also be in arithmetic progression. So if this will also be in arithmetic progression, I can easily find the sum of 12 terms of this progression, right? So how it will be? It will be nothing but what? 12 by 2. It means this sum I am talking about. This sum will be what? 12 by 2 into 2a. So 2a1 plus 12 minus 1, that is 11, into d value will become what in this case? 2d. Equal to what they have given? Minus 72 by 5 times a1. Correct? So it will be what? This is 6 times, and 2 if I take out. So what I will get? I will get 12 into a1 plus 11d equal to how much? It is nothing but minus 72 by 5 times a1. So this will cancel it out 6 times. So what I will get? I will get a1 plus 11d equal to minus 6 by 5 times a1. It means what? It means 11d equal to minus 6 by 5 a1 plus a1. Sorry, minus a1. Correct? So it will become what? It will become 11d equal to minus 6 minus 5 by 5 times a1. That is nothing but what? Minus 11 by 5 times a1. So from here I will get the value of d as minus 1 by 5 times a1. Correct? Now I am having the value of d in terms of a1. Now let's see what they have given next. They have given the sum of first n terms of this progression is nothing but 0. Okay, so it means Sn they have given as 0. It means what? N by 2 times 2a 2 times a1 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0 they have given. Okay, so this n by 2 will go that side and will become 0, and we will substitute the value of d as well. So what I will get? 2 times a1 plus n minus 1. D value is minus 1 by 5 times a1 equal to 0, right? So I can take a1 out. So it will become what? 2 minus n by 5 plus 1 by 5 equal to 0. So since a1 not equal to 0, we can just divide the a1 to the whole equation. So what I will get? I will get 2 plus 1 by 5 minus n by 5 equal to 0. So from here I will get n by 5 equal to, this is nothing but 11 by 5. So n equal to what I will get? N equal to 11. Okay, so this is what I wanted to find. The value will be what? N equal to 11, option C. I hope this is clear. Now let's see the last question of this series. So what I am having, if the sum of this sum of the first 10 term of this series is m by n, where GCD of m and n is 1, then we need to find the value of m plus n. Okay, so let's see this series. So what they have given? They have given, so let us consider that, okay, that is nothing but s equal to 4 into 1 by 1 plus 4 into 1 power 4 plus 4 into 2 by 1 plus 4 into 2 power 4 plus 4 into 3 by 1 plus 4 into 3 power 4 and so on. Correct? So I will, if we will see, this is my first term. Correct? This is my second term and this is my third term. Correct? So by this itself, by the observation itself, if I want to find its the nth term, so nth term will be what? So let's observe here. So in numerator, if I will observe, in T1 4 into 1 is there, in T2 4 into 2 is there, and in T3 4 into 3 is there. So if someone will ask what will be there in Tn, so it will be what? 4 into n divided by, and now in denominator what I am having? In denominator 1 plus 4 into 1 power 4 in T1, 1 plus 4 into 2 power 4 in T2, and 1 plus 4 into 3 power 4 in T3. So in Tn it will become what? It will become 1 plus 4 into n power 4. Correct? I hope this is clear. Now the observation or the thing that we need to observe here is what? The denominator. The denominator we are having 4n power 4. Correct? Now what I will do? Okay, now here this 4n power 4, if you closely observe, that is nothing but what? 2n square whole square. Correct? So my idea is what? My idea is to just make it what? A plus b the whole square. So how we will make? So here you can see a square is there, b square is there. What I want? I want 2ab. So that is nothing but what? 2n square. So I'll just add 2n square and subtract 2n square. Or sorry, it will become what? 4. 2 2s are 4, na? So 4n square I will add and 4n square I will subtract. So what I will get from here? So from here I will have 4n upon. Now this will become what? 1 plus 2n 2n square to the power whole square plus 4n square. This will become 2n plus 1 the whole square minus this is nothing but 2n the whole square. Correct? Then again a square minus b square formula. So one time addition, one time subtraction. So it will become what? 4n upon 2n plus 1 minus 2n and 2n plus 1 plus 2n. Correct? So what I will get? Here square will come. So what I will get? I will get Tn equal to 4n upon 2n square plus 1 or 2n square minus 2n plus 1 in another bracket 2n square plus 2n plus 1. Correct? Now here the thing that you need to observe it what? See, if I will subtract 2n square plus 2n plus 1 by 2n square minus 2n plus 1. So what I will get? I will get it as 2n square plus 2n plus 1 minus 2n square plus 2n minus 1. So 2n square and minus 1 will cancel out. So what I will get? I will get 4n. It means the numerator can be replaced by Tn equal to 2n square plus 2n plus 1 minus 2n square minus 2n plus 1 whole divided by what? 2n square minus 2n plus 1 into 2n square plus 2n plus 1. Right? Now split it out. So what I will get? I will get, okay. So if I will take this upon this thing, so this and this value will cancel out and remaining value will become 1 upon this thing, right? So what I will get? I will get 1 upon 2n square minus 2n plus 1 minus, if I take this upon this, so this and this will cancel out and I will get 1 upon this whole thing. So what I will get? Minus 1 upon 2n square plus 2n plus 1. Correct? So Tn will become what? Now observe here. This is 2n square minus 2n plus 1. So if you closely observe here, if I take n square out and here I will write at n square minus 2n plus 1. Similarly minus here also. If I take n square at 2n square, I can write n square plus n square. So this will become n square plus 2n plus 1. Correct? Now observe here. This Tn will become what? N square plus, this is nothing but n minus 1 the whole square minus, this will become what? N square plus n plus 1 the whole square. So I got my Tn as 1 upon n square plus n minus 1 the whole square minus 1 upon n square plus n plus 1 the whole square. Okay. Now what I need to find? I need to find S. And S is what? Summation over R is going from 1 to 10 TR, right? So it will become what? It will become summation over R is going from 1 to 10, 1 upon R square plus R minus 1 the whole square minus 1 upon R square plus R plus 1 the whole square. Correct? Now let's expand it. So after expansion, what I will get? I will get 1 up S equal to 1 upon R value is 1. So 1 square plus 1 minus 1 square is 0 square minus 1 upon 1 square plus 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square plus R equal to 2 if I substitute. So it will become 2 square plus 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square plus 3 square. And this will go simultaneously. So last step will be what? R equal to 10. So R equal to 10 means 10 square plus 9 square minus 1 upon 10 square plus 11 square I will get. So if you closely observe, this will cancel out. So 1 square, 2 square will gone, 2 square, 3 square gone. Similarly, 1 upon 10 square, 9 square will cancel out. So lastly, what I will have s equal to 1 minus 1 upon 10 square plus 11 square. So this is nothing but what? S equal to 1 minus 100 plus 100, 121. So it will become what? 1 minus 1 upon 221. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but 220 by 221. So what I will get? I will get my S as 220 by 221. And we can observe that, okay, that is nothing but 220 and 221 are relatively prime, since GCD of 220 and 221 equal to 1. So I can say that, okay, this is nothing but equal to m by n. So from here I will get the value of m as 220 and the value of n as 221. Now what they are asking? They are just asking what will be the value of m plus n. So m plus n will become what? So m plus n will become 220 plus 221. That is nothing but 441. Correct? So m plus n will become 441. So answer will be what? Answer will be 441 in this case. Correct? I hope this idea is clear. Okay.